Have you ever wondered why the first chapter of every maths books is related to numbers and place values? That is because in maths we have different types of numbers. They are the building blocks. Identification of different type of numbers is extremely important so that we can solve them according to their own rules. Let's recap what type of numbers we have learned so far. In this presentation, we will learn about the following type of numbers: natural numbers, whole numbers, positive and negative numbers, fractions or decimals, even and odd numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers are all the positive numbers. They start from 1, they go all the way up till infinity. For example, 1, 21, 35, 400, 511 and so on. However, keep it in mind that natural numbers do not include any negative numbers, fractions or decimal numbers. They are all the numbers which are greater than 0. Whole numbers. These are the numbers which are complete. We do not include fractions or decimals over here. These are the numbers which we use in our daily routine for counting different things. Over here, as an example, we take 6 bags of apples or 612 bags of mangoes. Whole numbers also include the number 0. Positive and negative numbers. Now for the number line, we know that it starts from the number 0 and it extends to the right side for all the positive numbers. Here I will tell you that our number line, although it starts from 0, it also extends towards the left side. Over here we have our negative numbers. Negative numbers represent the opposite of whatever the positive numbers represent. For example, let's take temperature over here. If I say that the temperature of a certain place is going to be plus 40, I know that it's going to be extremely hot in that area. If I say that the temperature of a certain place is going to be minus 40, I would know that it's going to be extremely cold over there. Fractions or decimals. Numbers which are not whole numbers are either written as fractions or decimals. They tell us how many parts have we taken out from the whole value. For example, 1 upon 2 of the pizza means that we have taken 1 part out of a total of 2 parts of the pizza. Similarly, in terms of decimals, we can say that we have 0.5 of the pizza. A fraction number is represented by a line between the two numbers, and the decimal is represented by a point between the numbers. Even and odd numbers. This is a fairly easy concept and we have been doing this in every year so far. All the numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are called even numbers. These numbers, when divided by 2 times table, do not give us any remainder. Odd numbers. All the numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers. These numbers will always have a remainder when we divide it by the table of 2. Revision of basic information is always a good idea. Identification of these numbers will help you in various mathematical questions. We will be learning most of these concepts in the upcoming years in great detail. All the best for grade 5.